grab construction adhesive. What's nice, like I say, about this is you stick it, it grabs pretty quickly, and it's a great adhesion factor. So we have that, and then also I'm going to put one board in the middle for support because I know that's melamine is compressed wood, so it could sag. So that'll prevent any sagging. So let me just take these, and all I'm going to do is just tap those into place. So let me do that. Let me tap this side into place. And I'm a little off back here, but I have shim. I'm going to shim that. Go ahead and shim that up. So let me get the middle board in place. I'm not even going to worry about gluing this one, because I'm going to apply glue to the top of it, the adhesive, so that should hold it firmly in place once I'm good together here. My board's a little twisted, that's why I'm getting this little gap, but I'll just fill it with adhesive. And like I say, that will never be seen, so it's not a problem. Don't worry, don't look bad, promise. I promise. Okay, so we have our boards in. I'm going to shim up that corner, and then we're ready to get the actual board and put that in, fit that in here. Okay, I went ahead and applied a bead of adhesive on all the surfaces. So now we're going to place the board in. Okay, I've got the board in here, and what I'm doing now is I'm just caulking. You could see because it's slightly irregular. I wasn't going to be able to describe it because it's all kind of pushes in and out a tad anyway, so that really wouldn't work in this case. I was able to, I didn't show you this before, but this door was down about a ½ inch. So I was able to get a pretty nice seam, you know, working with what I have here.